Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nettie and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some hair that I just purchased from a vendor. I've been meaning to try some raw hair from Indonesia, so I went and I purchased three 18-inch bundles. And this is their natural wave. I'm just going to open up the bundle so you guys can see. The hair felt really good. The wefts were nice and well constructed. You can see that there. And I'm going to take the three bundles and I'm going to create a wig with it. And I am going to be using a closure from my hair collection. So I didn't purchase one from the raw hair company. So now I'm just going to be adding some highlights to the hair. I wanted to just see how it colors and how how well it bleached. So I'm going to use the back combing method to do my highlights. So I'm going to pre-section everything. It just helps me to work faster. So I'm going to make my parts and I'm going to do the back combing. I'm going to do that throughout the whole wig, and then I'm going to come back and bleach all the sections at once. So I just sectioned off that first piece there. This unit is going to have a bang, so I don't want my bangs to be like a solid blonde color. I just want it to have highlights. So I'm going to section that off, but I'm not going to bleach that first part. For the remainder of the hair, I'm going to back comb, as you see here. I'm just going to go through the whole wig and do that. All right, so I just back comb until I'm satisfied with the amount of hair that's left in my hand. Like I said, I have put it in a text that I start the back combing where I want the highlights to start. So this in the back, I wanted to start like halfway down so that you can see how far down I started. And I just also make sure that the piece that I'm doing meets the piece behind it so it can be even. Okay, so now I'm ready to apply my bleach, and I'm using the Blonde Me bleach with some 20 volume developer, and I'm just going to go through and just place it on every piece that I did. So the hair did look very brassy, and I wanted to go in and color correct that. That's the formula that I use. It's on the screen. And then I let it air dry after I washed and conditioned the hair, and then I'm just going to start my styling. All right, y'all, so she's almost finished, and I'm gonna show you guys the final look. I have to say that I really do like this hair. Like I said, I've been wearing this hair like for like the past couple months, and it doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle. The hair, like, it stays looking good. I've tried to put it through the ringer. I've worn it like pretty much 24/7. I've even slept in the wig, without any like bonnets on or anything like that, and just trying to just see how the hair holds up. And it's been holding up really, really good. So I think I'm gonna definitely use this vendor, add it to my vendor collection. And yeah, I did add this unit to my website, so you can purchase this unit. If you're looking for units to purchase, you can purchase this, and I will use the raw Indonesian hair to create the unit. And you can get it with or without bangs, so you can definitely specify that in the options when you go on to order. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.